Hi everybody, I'm Brian Jones, the Sunday Carpenter. Today we're going to be restoring this Stanley plane. So quick backstory, I inherited this plane. It's a Stanley number 220, and this plane is another Stanley. I don't know the number of this one. If anybody does know the number, please comment down below. I'd actually love to know what it is. I think it's a scrub plane, but I could be wrong. This one didn't need much cleaning up. This little Stanley, it's not in as good shape. So the top piece seems okay. The iron's alright. Still has on all this caked on sawdust. And the adjustment knob is seized up on it. It just won't budge. If while you're watching this video you see anything I've missed or forgotten to do, please comment down below. It's from my grandpa, so I want to make sure I get it right. So after I've taken it apart, I'm going to use my son's bug case to soak that. But first let's take it apart. Let's lube this baby. Oh, Grandpa, you really got this thing seized up. Let's see if we can get the screw off. So the screw came off, no problem. Let's try the handle. Handles off.
I left the handplane in the vinegar overnight. This should make removing the remaining rust and grime simple and easy.
This is what it looks like coming out of vinegar bath. Not perfect, but it's a lot better than it was before.
Just using a simple brush, I'm going to give him a light scrubbing.
Now you can see it's pretty shiny. The adjustment knob on the back is still seized up. I'm going to spray it again. Use a pair of pliers. Loosen it up. Just had to use the pliers to kind of free it from being stuck, and voila! They've got a few nicks in them, so just to make sure they're nice and square, I'm going to run them over the stones a few times. At the same time, I'm going to do the blade, sharpen it up too. There's quite a few high spots and low spots, surprisingly. So I'm going to actually go down and start with some 400 and then do the 1000. The camera's getting that, but you can see there's some still low spots. I'm going to stop the camera. I'll show you when I'm done what I've got.
I've worked on this for about an hour now using diamond stones. I started out on a 150 stone, then moved up to the 400 stone, and then finished on a 1000 stone. After that, I shinied it up with some rubbing compound. Let's take a look. It's much improved from what it was before.
So let's put it back together. I'm going to put a little bit of spray on that just to keep it loose. Here comes my buddy. My bandmate Chris just showed up. Don't worry, we kept Actually, because I don't have my mask on, we stayed about 20 feet apart. It was nice to see his face. Anyway, back to this. Goes on there. This up. Last is the handle. It just screws on. Let's test it out. Alright. If you got an old hand plane laying around, I think you should try fixing it up. If it's rusty, soak it in vinegar. If it's tarnished, whatever, you could just polish it. If that doesn't work, you could go over it like I did with the stones and then the rubbing compound. Have at it. Hand tools are fun. Thanks for watching that video, everybody. I hope you liked it. If you did, please hit that like button down below and the subscribe button too. If you've got any questions about how to fix up an old hand plane, feel free to comment down below. I always read them and I'll try to get back to you as quick as I can. See you next time, everybody. Stay safe. Chair, by the way, working great. Sitting back, enjoying my garden, having a cold one. That's life.